month of March, and I feel like we need to end the month by playing some good marching music. So, Michaela, John, Ruthie, Levi, why don't you lead us this first march around the house as we join the Lord's Army? Let's give these kids a little break while we march through this week's birthdays.
Good idea. I think I see some kids out there breaking a sweat. Philip, Grace, Abigail, it's probably time for a drink of water. Okay, let's get into these birthdays. March 30th, we want to wish a happy birthday to Madison Silke, Olivia Zimmerman, Novalee Walton, and Gloria Downs. On March 21st, we have Abigail Mazinski, Leopold Evans, Evan Yoder, Asa Chateau, and 2 graduates turning 12, Ivy Arnett and Jacob Ramos.
Happy birthday on April the 1st to Isabel Moore, Eve Harris, Paisley Lowe, Lily McClanahan, and Liam Hertz. On the 2nd, we say happy birthday to Megan Paytek and a 12-year-old Nolan Johnson. Happy birthday. On the 3rd, we have another graduate, and that would be Elena Garnet, turning 12 from the birthday club, receiving an extra
lads and lassies, my name is McKelvey Mutt.
And my name is Bruce the Goose.
Top of the morning to you, my name is Philip the Fox.
Hi, I'm Squee the Squirrel, and I want to invite you along for a story in the forest.
Hi there. We've been waiting for you. We're going to have fun and learn something too. Because it's time for Fables of Faith.
Well, do you remember last week how Squinty got himself into trouble by, what was that big word we used? That's right, dependable. He was not too dependable. An old owl sent him to get what? No, not to get, but to take a package to Philip's house. Now we'll find out today that the problem was really taken care of, even though it wasn't anything that Squinty could be complimented for. But the problem was taken care of, and because Squinty didn't really look up and try to find out what happened, got himself into more trouble and more trouble and more trouble. You want to see what kind of trouble he kind of dug himself into today? Let's take a look.
Well, you can come out now, lad. They're gone.
Hey, they knew I was here all the time. Why didn't you tell me my bushy tail didn't come into the closet with me?
Lad, I hardly had time to think, much less notice that you weren't all in.
Oh boy, now am I in a mess.
In a mess? I'd say you'd been spared. You're pretty lucky, you know.
What?
Sure. Supposing Phil hadn't come to Old Owl's, and supposing he hadn't tripped over the package in the dark, no telling what might have happened to the package.
Oh, I'm not worried about that. But how am I ever gonna face Old Owl and Philip again?
Face him. Why, you just go right up and apologize, that's all.
Huh? Oh, well, that's easy for you to say. They wouldn't even speak to me after this.
Now, lad, you know that
I know. That they just made fun of me. That's what I know. They knew I was in that closet all the time. Why didn't they tell me to come out? Huh? Well, why didn't they?
maybe they knew that if you had wanted to be out, you would have been. After all, you did, not they. Now, if I were you, I think they
Well,
just go
you're not me, and I don't know what to do.
like I say, I would just walk
I've
right.
gotta go. See you, McKelvey.
But lad, I think probably about. He can be a strange one, that.
Hey, Squinty, wait up!
Go away, Bo. I got lots on my mind right now.
But maybe I can help
I
you.
wish you could, but I don't think you can.
How do you know? You haven't even told me what's wrong.
Oh, I've just made Philip and Old Owl very angry with me.
What did you do?
Lost something.
Well, come on, I'll help you find it.
Philip found it.
Huh? Then you didn't lose it.
Sure I did. Just because Philip found it doesn't mean I didn't lose it.
Well, how do you know Philip found it?
He told me so.
I thought he was mad at you.
He is.
If he's mad at you, how come he told you he found
Oh,
it?
he didn't tell me. He told McKelvey.
Then McKelvey told you, right?
Nope. I heard him.
Huh? Squinty, you're getting as hard to understand as Philip.
You see, Bo, Old Owl gave me Philip's package to lose for him while I was gathering acorns, but I didn't know that Philip was going to find it, so I went to McKelvey's and hid in his closet while he fed his goldfish. The thing is, my bushy tail didn't come in with me, and they saw it, and now they won't speak to me. Oh, what am I gonna do?
If I were you, Squinty, I think I'd go home and try to get some sleep. You really don't sound too okay to me.
You're probably right, Bo. Well, I'll see you later.
Poor little guy. He's just been working too hard.
Dear Old Owl and Philip, I'm sorry that what you thought was fish in McKelvey's closet was really me? Oh, no, that's not right.